Hey there, friendlies, how's up? Mail call. It is getting really close to Christmas time here. Well, everywhere, I guess. This is a box of whiskeys that I've been buying over the course of several months in Alberta. And as you guys know, every once or twice a year, I have my fiddle player send them to me. So, I have blacked out, yes, I've blacked out the address. So, thanks to Canada Post, this was delayed somewhere. Looks like it was opened and reclosed. And, look at that. I'm fully expecting to have lost the bottle. There's nothing wet on the bottom. I don't think I smell whiskey, but I don't know. Kind of dented on the bottom as well. Now, because it takes me so long to buy enough bottles to fill one of these boxes, I have no idea what I bought. I do know that there's one bottle in here that's for my guitar player. I don't remember what that is, but I will remember. I'll recognize the bottle and I'll remember then. Yeah, I don't know what Canada Post did to this box, but I'm 8% stressed about it. I don't know, I just put this knife away. I still have to cut the tape. Come on, fool. There we go. Cut the tape. If I cut this open and I get this huge waft of whiskey, then I'll be irritated. Alright. Knife away for the whole safety first reasons. Let's take a look at what we got. No big smell of whiskey. That's a good sign. What do we got in here? Oh yeah, I'd forgotten about that. Yeah. Redbreast 12. Cask strength. I'm looking forward to tasting that one. Move this over a bit. What's this? Oh yeah, here's a North Star Loch Lomond. That's a little wet. Well, we shall see. Single malt whiskey, the Matsui Mizunara cask. Don't know anything about that. Excuse me. Compass box, artist, blend, Scotch, whiskey, single marrying cask. Oh, this is a Kensington Wine Market store pick or whatever they're called. Port Askeg. This is the one for my guitar player. He bought it. I shipped it. Excuse me. Scotch Malt Whiskey Society. Society cast number 6.37. With an unbattered edge. Well, it's a Speyside, but I don't know what Speyside it is. I didn't even remember buying that. Aha! And Gooderham Wort 49 Wellington. That's a bottle that I told you guys I was sad about not having bought two of. And Peter found found a few in a little whiskey shop. He called it a whiskey shop with delusions of grandeur somewhere in southern Alberta at a very good price. So I said, grab me one. So there we are. These are for me. This one is for David. And none of them seem to have leaked, which is good. I was expecting a shattered bottle. And then the boxes that they came in. So, I'm thinking that this is going to be my Christmas malt for this year. That is my suspicion. If it is, I will try to get a video out for you guys quicky pronto. And as for the rest of them, aside from this, well, and this. Okay, and this. So, for these three, there will be reviews. But I haven't decided yet. I may want to review that. I haven't quite decided. I'm not finished looking at the SAQ either. But anyways, there we go. There's my latest whiskey shipment. So, that's all she wrote. Thanks for hanging out with me for this little, this exciting little unboxing. As I always say, if you like what I'm doing, then please do the following 3 things. 1, comment down below. Which of these would you be the most excited about receiving? Second thing, please share this video. It helps me more than you could possibly imagine. I got it out in the end. And third, leave me a smiley thumb. If you don't like what I'm doing, that's all right. Leave me a frowny thumb. Thanks for watching, guys. Hey, you know what? Before you go, turns out there was one bottle that got lost. And I was reminded of it when I was going through the bottom of the shipping box. Okay? But hey, that's one bottle lost from, I think we've sent 3 boxes over the past couple of years. So, I mean, statistically, I'm still doing all right. Oh well. It's only money, right?